Alright, today is a quick video how to hook up your generator in an emergency situation. So this is your regular extension cord. Make sure it's a heavy duty. So this is we're running on the 110 line, and how this thing works basically: green one, it's your ground right here. Just zoom out so you see better. White one to your neutral, and here we have a little bit hack. So basically what I did, you just shutter off everything what you have 220s right here on the panel, and I left 110 right here, and we are running all those fuses on the 110, but this one was 220 breaker, and you can remove this clip so you can run this individually. Yeah, I did this because I don't have it. You know, if you can have two separated, it's completely fine. It's even better. But so what you did, you're doing the jumper wire basically, so you can run, because what happened is, let me explain that. Here you have one hot line and there's another hot line, and basically this one, it goes like, you know, zigzags on it. So we're running all those 110s on the fuse box, and we have a light, the fridge is working, and all LEDs light, it works, so everything except 220. And you can have electric kettle, you know, heat up your hot water, but like I said, this is only for 110 situation, and it's working. And then you're running heavy duty gauge. Make sure it's not too long to your generator, and make sure your generator is outside. It's not inside the garage. Inside, it's not inside in the garage. It's a little bit far away from the garage. Close the garage door so all the CO2 doesn't go there. Also, smoke alarm is very handy if you have them in the house, so make sure you have them in the garage as well. I highly recommend it. And yeah, so this is it. If you have any question, let me know. See ya. Oh, by the way, make sure your main breaker it's off right here. It's in the off position, because otherwise you're gonna supply our entire blackout area, and of course your generator is gonna pop the breaker and everything, and it's dangerous when the two, you know, your power and your provider power meet together. No good. It could be disaster. Sparkly and all that stuff. All right, so I hope you understand what I'm talking about. 220 is off, hot water boiler, all that stuff. Everything else works. Internet works, phone working, router is working. No problem. You can call Trump if you want, or Biden, whatever you want. So, yep. See ya.